Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool underwear here, and basically what these are some high quality belts from the LV brand or Louis Vuitton. So for the belts that I got right here, I actually purchased from Italy from my recent trip that I just came back not too long ago. But right here is basically what the bag looks like when you guys do get it. And the inside we do have the actual product. So I'm just take it out to show you guys what it looks like first. So first the inside they provided me a bunch of these bags because I requested for it. And the reason why there's 3 of these small little bags is because there's 3 different things inside right here. 2 of them are woman belt and 1 of them is a wallet. Let's take it out to show you guys what each one looks like. So right here is the first one. Here we do have the second one. And then last but not least we do have the third one. And that is basically everything inside the package. Now I'm going to open each one of them to show you guys what she looks like. If you guys do take out the ribbon. If you guys do pull it out. Inside right here we do have the product. You can see how they do have the brand name. If you guys do open up and take it out. Inside we do have a little piece of paper to show you guys what the material is on here. So they mention how it is calfskin leather that they use. But once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So if you guys do open it up, you can see right there we do have the iconic LV logo. And then throughout the belt they do have the brand logo on here as well. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. And the cool thing about this belt is the fact that it is reversible. So if you guys want to use it this way or turn the other way, you definitely have the option available. And right here on this side, we see we do have the hole for you guys to stick it on, which is basically in the back right here. And if you guys look carefully on here, they do tell you guys that it's made in Spain. And the way how you guys reverse the belt is actually very easy. All you need to do is push this part out. And once you guys do take it out, you guys reverse it the other way and push it through the hole like this. So that way you can use it this way if you guys want to, instead of the other side. So that way if you guys want to get like a casual look or like a luxury look, you guys can feel free to reverse it based on your own preference. So if you guys do put it on, let me show you guys what it looks like. So what you're going to do is just slide it in and then push it in to lock it in. Once you guys do lock it in, this is basically what it looks like. And obviously, like I mentioned, for this one, it is a woman belt. So it's a little bit too small for me, but I just want to put it on to give you guys an idea of what the product looks like. So here is the first option, which is 30 mm. Now I'm going to show you the next one. So here we have the next one. So if you guys do open up, take this part out. The packaging inside is basically the same, but once you guys do open up, if you guys do take it out, inside the piece of paper right here, they tell you guys the material, which is basically a calfskin leather as well. And when you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So if you guys do take out the wrapper, and you see right there, we have the brand logo, and they also have it right here as well. And you see the side of this one's small as well. This is 20 mm. And for this one in particular, it's not reversible. Unless if you guys want to take your time to unscrew it in the back, that's probably possible. And then for this one, it only has 3 holes compared to the other one has more. And in the back of this belt, you can see how it is made in Spain as well. And when you guys do feel the materials on here, it does feel like a high quality leather material. But same thing for this one, like I mentioned, it's a woman belt. But I'm just trying to put it on to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I was able to actually fit it. You can see it's actually very tight. So obviously when you guys do purchase it, it won't look as tight as this one. But I do want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is basically what the belt looks like when you guys do put it on. You can see it definitely looks very minimal and very nice. And especially it looks perfect if you guys are a woman or if you guys do have a very thin waist. So this is what it looks like for this one. Now I'm going to show you guys the last and final thing that I purchased from the LV brand, which is the wallet. So here is the last and final thing, which is the wallet. And we see the packaging is slightly smaller. And do want to mention right here, and we see they do give you guys a little envelope. And basically what this is a little card that you can use to write a letter, which is really cool, especially if you guys are getting this as a gift. Same thing for the other one, for the belt option they had as well. But let's open this up to show you guys what the wallet looks like. Here is basically what the inside looks like. And once you guys do take it out, inside right here we do have the actual wallet. And we see the design of the pattern that's on here is actually very simple. They do have the Louis Vuitton name on here. Same thing for our side. And supposedly the material that's on here, when you guys do feel it, it definitely has a little bit of like a scratch resistant material. But the overall material that's on here should be leather material. And for this wallet, it is called a Marigold wallet. And the way how they designed this wallet is actually very convenient, which I'll show you guys what's inside in a second. So let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. So on this side right here, we do have the slot for you guys to put in like your ID card if you guys do want to. This side right here, we do have a slot for you guys to put like your credit card. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for you to put in credit card if you guys do want to. Bottom part right here, we do have the brand name. And do mention how it is made in France or Paris right here. But right here is basically the first compartment when you guys do open up. If you guys open the next one, right here the next compartment. So same thing for this side, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for you to put stuff here as well, for a total of 8 different slots on here. And if you guys can see inside right here, there's another compartment if you guys want to put stuff inside. So if you guys add this to the 8 that's already on here, that's a total of 9 different slots for you to put cards if you guys want to. And then right here, you can see we do have a zipper compartment for you guys to open up. And the zipper that's on here is pretty high quality when you guys do fill in. But if you guys do open it, it basically opens up a little compartment for you guys to put coins inside if you guys do want to, which is really convenient. And when you guys are not using it, you can fold it back up and zip it back up. And then inside the compartment, they gave you guys a little piece of paper to show you guys what is the material that's on the actual wallet. And then last but not least, right here we do have the compartment for you guys to put in all your bills and etc. So definitely very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff inside right here if you guys can see. And that is everything that I purchased from the LV brand in Italy when I visited. And obviously when you guys do purchase it somewhere else from where you guys do live, you don't have to worry about paying the taxes etc. other than paying for customs. And also when you guys purchase it from Italy compared to like America or US, you guys are saving a lot of money compared to here. So if you guys want to save a lot of money, or if you guys want to visit Italy, feel free to go check out Italy because it's very beautiful. And I will show you guys what I mean once I finish editing the video for the Italy trip. It hasn't even been 1 week since I came back and I missed it already. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not to work or not. So for both the belts and also the wallet, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are on the market looking for a high quality luxury good, whether it be like the belt or the wallet option that give you guys that very simple design. Regardless if you guys are a man or if you guys are a woman, they have a lot of different options available. But if you guys are trying to look for something very luxury to give as a gift for someone else or even for yourself, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.